Unit 8. Listening section. In this section of the test, you will have the chance to show how well you understand spoken English. There are 3 parts to this section, with special directions for each part. Part 1. Questions 1 to 6. Directions. In this part of the test, you will hear some dialogues or questions spoken in English. The dialogues or questions will be spoken 2 times. They will not be printed in your test book, so you must listen carefully to understand what the speakers say. After you hear a dialogue and the question about it, read the 5 possible answers and decide which one would be the best answer to the question you have heard. Now listen to a sample question. You will hear, "Well, I'm very glad to have you with me. By the way, my name's James Bond. How do you do?"
How do you do? I'm Barbara.
You will also hear,
What do we learn from the dialogue?
you will read in your test book,
A.
"The man has never met Barbara before."
B.
"The man never knows James Bond."
C.
"Barbara has met the man before."
D.
"Barbara met James Bond yesterday."
E.
"Barbara meets James Bond every day." The best answer to the question is, "The man has never met Barbara before." Therefore, you should choose answer A. Now let us begin part 1 with question number 1. Number 1.
What do you think about this movie?
Fantastic! I think Finding Nemo must be the best cartoon movie ever. What do you understand about the dialogue? Number 2. Have you moved out from your apartment yet?
No, I paid up until the 15th.
What is the woman probably going to do? Number 3.
Susie took the math placement test.
So she finally did it. What do we understand about the dialogue? Number 4. Hello, this is the Cigarra Cafe. May I help you?
I'd like to order a cup of hot coffee. Please send it to room 808.
How does the woman order a cup of hot coffee? Number 5. Ms. Wati, I'd like to go home early.
Why? What's wrong?
I feel terrible. I have a bad stomach ache. What do you think is the best response to end the dialogue? Number 6. Excuse me, can you tell me where the post office is?
Go straight 2 blocks. You'll see it on your left.
Thanks a lot.
No problem.
What do we understand from the dialogue? Part 2. Questions 7 to 10. Directions. In this part of the test, you will hear several questions or statements spoken in English. The questions and responses will be spoken 2 times. They will not be printed in your test book, so you must listen carefully to understand what the speakers say. You have to choose the best response to each question or statement. Now, listen to a sample question. You will hear,
Well, I'm very glad to have you with me. By the way, my name's Lucy Liu. How do you do?
You will also hear,
A.
How do you do? I'm Setiawan.
B.
I am fine, thank you.
C.
Let me introduce myself.
D.
How do you know me? The best answer to the question, how do you do, is choice A. How do you do? I'm Setiawan. Therefore, you should answer A. Now let us begin part 2 with question number 7. Number 7. What will you have to start with, ma'am?
A. Are we sure there was something wrong? B. I'd prefer some soup for the appetizer. C. Really? Let me check this again. D. Yes, that is very delicious.
Number 8. What will you have?
A. I'll have one more, please. B. Yes, very good indeed. C. Well, thank you for an excellent evening. D. I'll have any fruit juice, please.
Number 9. Waiter, may I have the bill? How much is it altogether? A. Here you are, sir. B. Certainly, sir. You're welcome. C. My pleasure, and I'll see you again. D. I'm sorry, sir. Number 10. I'm sorry for being late. I have a pounding headache.
A. Yes, I've been sweating. B. Is it contagious? C. Can I eat anything I like? D. Well, you should see a doctor.
Part 3. Questions 11 to 15. Directions. In this part of the test, you will hear several monologues. Each monologue will be spoken 2 times. They will not be printed in your test book, so you must listen carefully to understand what the speakers say. After you hear a monologue and the questions about it, read the 5 possible answers and decide which one would be the best answer to the questions you have heard. Now let us begin Part 3. Questions 11 and 12.
Last Sunday, Uncle Sam took me to the swimming pool. He said he was going to teach me how to swim. I hated water, but it was compulsory for us to learn swimming in my school. In the beginning, I was very scared because I had never swum before, so Uncle Sam held me as I learned to kick and float in the pool. Then I practiced using the swimming board. Finally, I could swim with the board without any help. Now I look forward to my
Number
next
11.
swimming lesson.
What makes the speaker afraid? Number 12. What did the speaker learn before practicing using a swimming board? Questions 13 to 15.
The Senja Utama train to Jakarta and Bandung is leaving in 10 minutes from platform 27. Passengers for Jakarta should board at the front of the train. Passengers for Bandung should board at the rear.
13. Where is the speaker? Number 14. Who is speaking? Number 15. What is the type of text you have just heard?